This video is made possible by G2A, great games for cheap prices. Use the affiliate link g2a.com/r/filmempire to support the show. Okay, now a quick thing before we start the actual episode. That little clip you just saw will be on my videos from now on because YouTube is pulling all its advertisements from smaller YouTubers. So in order to, make a little bit of money, I have partnered up with G2A, so if you want to buy good games for cheap prices, you can go there with the link in the description. So anytime you want to buy some games at G2A, be sure to use my affiliate link so that you are supporting the show. Now let's go on with the actual episode. Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create this fractal fade-in, right after the intro. You can do this effect in both the Express and Pro version of Hitfilm. The first thing you want to do is import your normal footage and a clean plate, which is a shot without the object in it. In this case, I just filmed myself and later removed the items in the shot. As seen here, I moved the clean plate over the footage. Now there is a clean cut but not a fractal fade. Now create a black plane and a composite shot with the length of your transition, in my case 1 second long. I add the black plane to the composite shot. Now I'll add the effect to the plane which the whole fade revolves around, the fractal noise effect. You can leave the settings as they are and scroll down to the bottom where it says offset. I set the beginning keyframe to -1 and the second keyframe at the end to +1. Now you can see that the plane fades from black to white with fractal noise. To make it a bit more interesting, I keyframe the seed from 0 to 10 to add a little bit of diversity. Now go back to the editor timeline and add the matte composite shot to the place you want your transition to be. Go back to the start of your transition and cut the clean plate so that we can add the set matte effect to the small piece of footage instead of the entire clip. You can turn off the visibility of the matte layer and you can move it down to the bottom of the timeline if you want to. Now search for the Set Matte effect in the Effects panel and add it to your small piece of clean plate. Under Source Layer, choose the Matte Composite Shot and choose Luminance at Matte Source. Invert the matte effect. If we play the effect now, you can see that we have this cool fractal fade-in. So I hope this was an interesting video. Now be sure to leave a comment, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next week when I'll show you how I film my episodes. Bye! Hi there, I hope you enjoyed that video. Now click the top thumbnail to see my latest video, click the thumbnail below it to see a highlighted one, and click my logo to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.